Hi guys, welcome to Teach Me Computers, and today I'll show you how to optimize your computer. Go through this video to learn how to optimize your computer at home. There are two types of tools we will use. One is Windows tool and third-party software like Antivirus, Registry Cleaners. So let's start. These are the Windows tool and commands we will use to do the optimization, and here we have third-party tools software which will help us to clean and to optimize the registry and the system. So we'll start with SFC ScanNow command. To run SFC ScanNow, go to Start, click on CMD, then right click on CMD, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type here SFC /scan now. Beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Verification 1% complete. This will take some time, so I'll pause the video and will back once this is complete. Okay, you can see here I had ran SFC ScanNow command to scan if my Windows has a corrupt file or not, and here it says Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. You can go to this location, C drive Windows logs, and you can check what the files which are corrupted. It's not allowing you to clean. Normally if it is basic corruption, it asks you to restart and then it repairs your corrupted files. The next tool we'll use is Disk Cleaner. Disk Cleaner helps to remove temporary file from the drives. So you can go to computer, right click on your drives, click on Properties, click on Disk Cleanup. Select the temporary file which you want to delete and free some space for your drives. Here you can see the total size it will free from your drive again. Click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? So delete files. It's a temporary file, so not an issue. Click on OK. Same thing you can do it for your another drive as well. Right click on your drive, go to properties, click on disk cleanup, select, there's nothing to delete over here, so I'll just click cancel. The third tool we will use is disk defragmentation. For disk defragmentation, go to Start, All Program, Accessories, System Tools, Disk Defragmenter, or you can just search here Disk Defragmenter. Open Disk Defragmenter. Select the drive which you want to defragment and click on Disk Defragment. This takes times, depend on how frequent you do this regularly. So it has started, 0% analyze, then it will defragment. The next tool is reset browser. Most of the time when we try to use the internet, and because of this toolbars or some cookies cache, your browser works very slow and you think there is a problem with your system. So it's not always a system, it can be also a browser issue. It depends how many browser you have. So if you are using Google Chrome, which is slow, you can open Google Chrome, click on this ... and go to setting. Go to advanced, and click on reset. This will reset your startup page, new page, search engine and pin tabs. It will also disable all extension and clear temporary data like cookies. So your bookmarks, history and save password will not be cleared. Click on reset. To reset your Internet Explorer, open your Internet Explorer, go to Tools, Internet Options, Advanced, Reset, delete Personal Settings, Reset. you need to restart the Internet Explorer to see the change. Okay. So the next tool we will see is remove unwanted add-ons or toolbars. So when you normally reset your browser, it disables all your toolbars and add-ons, but it does not remove it. So to remove it, to delete extension or add-ons from Google Chrome, click on this dot dot dot, more tools, and then extensions. Then you can select, click on this to remove that specific extension. I don't have much third-party extension, so I'll just close this. Okay. Sometime it will also be in control panel. Programs and features. Sometimes you see your toolbars or extension add-ons over here. You need to check each one, select which one, and then click on uninstall. Remove program from the startup. Go to run, type msconfig, click on startup. So this here you can see these are the list of the software applications which is installed on this computer, and if you check box this application, it will load when your computer starts, which makes your computer slow. So always disable the application which you don't want them to start when you start your computer. You can keep if you want any specific application on the startup, and click on apply, click on OK. Then there are a few more small optimization steps are there, like right click on your computer here. To go there you have to click on start, right click on computer, property. You will see the information of your computer, like what operating system you have, what is RAM, and other details. Click on advanced system settings, and you can see performance here. Click on settings and then adjust for best performance. Click on this. Okay, you can select this last two if you want that smooth scrolling features of Windows 7. Click on OK. Click on OK. So these are the few tools which you can use and optimize your computer. So other than this Windows tool, sometime if the system is infected with viruses, if your registry is corrupted, then you need a third-party applications to optimize your computer, to optimize your registry, to remove your viruses. Okay. There are paid version software available, but you can use even a free trial version just for a temporary time being and remove them from your computer. Like to remove your viruses or malwares from your computer, you can use Malwarebytes, you can use Super AntiSpyware, you can use Hitman Pro, or you can use, if you have another antivirus. I'll show you how to download this antivirus and use them on your computer. Go to Google and search for Malwarebytes. Go to Malwarebytes. Click on free download. Okay, so here our Malwarebytes is downloading. Once it downloads, you can install it. I think I already have it installed. No, I don't. Okay, so it is done. We will install it. Click on it to open once it is downloaded. Click on yes. Select the language. Agree and install. Click on finish. Let's get started by cleaning your machine. Click on scan now. This takes a lot of time. Okay, here you can say activate license, upgrade now. This is a free version what we are using. Malwarebytes gives paid version also, so if you want a real-time protection, then you can go for paid version. Okay, this takes lot of time. Sometime if the PC is slow, it can take more than hours also. So I'll just minimize this, let it run. I'll show you another tool which you can use, like super AntiSpyware. This is also a very good software. Okay, you can download the free version and use this as a free trial. There's another one called Hitman Pro, which is also one of the very good anti-malware and very popular in US, UK and all. You can click on free 30-day free trial and use it to remove your malware from your system. So this is how you can use these free tools and remove all the viruses and the malwares from your computer. If you want to clean your registry and optimize your registry, then there is a software called Registry Cleaner. Registry Cleaner. Okay, it's free Registry Cleaner and Optimizer. It also has a paid version, but we will use a free version. Once it is downloaded, double click on it to open and install the software. can see Malwarebytes has detected 280 threats. You can click on this to view what threat it is, and it seems to be some file with Mozilla Firefox. You can expand this to see the exact location. It will be some cache file. Okay, so our WRC free Wise Registry Cleaner is downloaded, and we will now install it. Click on run. Accept the agreement, click on next, again next, install, launch the software. So before you, as it is free version, there are ads popping up. Okay, there is a confirmation is to register, to backup your registry. So always backup your registry in case if something happens, then you can restore them back. Create a system restore point, create a full registry backup. So you can do both the thing. Restore point will help you in case if system runs into any problem and it's not booting. You can boot your system with the safe mode and restore your system to the previous version, like today's date or when you do the restore point. And the registry backups helps you to restore your registry in case something happens. So you can just click on it to backup your registry. So backup is done. Now you can select what option you want to do the cleaning of your registry. You can do a fast scan or you can do a deep scan. Deep scan will take some time, so we'll just do a fast scan for now. You can do a deep scan if you want. So it will check how many problems you have in your registry, and then you'll be able to fix that. So you can see now a total of 1081,080 problems were found this time. 0 were unsafe to be deleted. So you can see 53 problems, 51 problems in software paths. There are a lot of problems which is in the registry, and it is in the background. You can see them. So you need this type of software to clean them. So here you will select all, click on clean. Cleanup was completed. Back to main. You can click on, this was a registry cleaner. So now we can click on system tune up. So it will do all this tune up activities. So it is already selected. You can go through it, each one of them, before you click on optimize. Okay, I know them, so I'll just click on optimize. Congratulations, all the items have been optimized. Now this is to defrag your registry. We had seen how to defrag your hard disk. Same way you can defrag your registry as well. So we'll click on, first you need to analyze. Okay, when you do this, your system will not be responsive. So, and it will show you how much, what percentage defragmentation is required. It can help you reduce your registry size by 2.49%. So your registry hardly has any redundancy, so please defrag it next time. So it says that defragmentation for my registry is not required. Okay, I'll just click on this to show you how to defrag. Just have to click on this button to defrag. And another thing, defragment will also restart your computer. So we will not do this now, but you can click on yes. Before that, you save your files if anything is open, and then click on yes to restart. It will defrag your registry and it will start back on, and you will see the differences in the performance. Close. Why is Registry Cleaner? There is another very good software called CCleaner, and many people use that software to optimize the computer. You can, and it is freely available to download. CCleaner. Okay. It has a professional version as well, where you can buy for $25. If you want this one, then you can buy it for $40. We'll use the free one. You can select from which website you to down. You can start download. So once it is downloaded, double click on it to open it. Click on install. Run cleaner. So you can see it will do all these changes if you run it, like it resets your Internet Explorer, your browser settings, it removes the cache from for your Windows Explorer, it will empty your recycle bin, it will delete your temporary file, it will check all these things. Okay, so you can just select whatever changes you want to do it, or keep it default if you don't know like what is DNS cache and everything, so you can just keep it default. Click on analyze to see my Google Chrome is open, so it's asking me to close that. Okay, I'll just click on yes. You can see it has removed 1 GB of space which was used by temporary files. You can click on run cleaner to remove them from your system. Okay, so there is a warning. So cleaning is completed. Then if you want to clean your registry also, SCANNOW does that as well. Click on registry and scan for issues. Every cleaning software has a different way of scanning your different algorithm they use to scan, so you always find difference. We have already cleaned it through revised registry cleaner, but here it still shows there are errors in the system. So in your registry, click on fix selected issues, take the backup, you can save it on my document, click on save, then fix all selected item, issue fixed, closed it. There are some tools also, like if you want to remove any applications, uninstall, so you can do it from here. See, if I want to remove this, I click on uninstall, it will remove that. You can optimize your startup as well. You can disable or enable startups. I can enable this, which is on no. We had done it manually, and here also you can do it to the software. You can check what are the browsers, plugins, select the plugins and click on delete those plugins from the browser. You can check the disk and do the disk cleanup as well. You can find the duplicate files. You can do system restore. You can do drive wiper. Okay, just override the free space. So this is how you can use CC Cleaner and optimize your computer. So we have seen all these tools. If you follow these steps, and you will definitely see the difference in the performance of your system. You might have to restart your computer once you do all these steps. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my video channel, and I will give you more videos about how to use the computer, how to fix the issues related to the computer, how to fix your printer issues, how to work on the server domain, how to do a network optimization and all that. So please subscribe my video channel. Thank you. Bye bye.